Hello and welcome to this brand new video series in which I'll take you step by step on our journey through the Forma platform. This is Autodesk Forma from the ground up, and I'm Anne van den Borre, Technical Specialist Construction here at Autodesk. In this first episode, we'll start by looking at what Autodesk Forma is, what problems it solves, what its building blocks are, and what added value this platform can offer you as a construction partner. And from the next sessions onwards, we'll dive into the platform itself. I'm already looking forward to it. What is Autodesk Forma? Autodesk Forma, or prior to the recent rebranding also known as Autodesk Construction Cloud, is an online workspace also known as a Common Data Environment or CDE for short, specifically for construction projects such as homes, offices, hospitals, but certainly also industrial and civil engineering projects. All projects where both documents, drawings, and models need to be managed. But it goes much further. All communication within and around our construction projects will take place in Autodesk Forma, involving all partners engaged in the project across the various phases. All of this, of course, with the necessary roles and permissions to ensure authorized access to the data. And why Autodesk Forma specifically? Now, why specifically choose Autodesk Forma? Well, why isn't a simple solution like Dropbox or Google Drive sufficient? The latter focuses only on general storage and synchronization of files in the cloud. Very simple to the point storage so that the latest version of a file is available everywhere. What Autodesk Forma essentially does is exactly the same, but we go much further. We go much further and place a much greater focus on a structured approach, on data security and accessibility, and on the use and reuse of data. The biggest difference lies in the fact that Autodesk Forma was specifically built for construction projects with tools such as the integrated model viewer, issue tracking and follow-up, checking and comparing versions of drawings, and much more. We will discuss each of these points in detail later, but first, let's look at some key benefits. Using a construction-specific platform such as Autodesk Forma offers many benefits, but I'll only list a few. First and foremost, it is a platform for centralized data storage and communication. Everyone works from the same central source of information, the same single source of truth. This will lead to fewer problems, fewer errors, and less time wasted searching for the correct latest version. Within the same environment, we can also immediately view drawings and models, as well as Word or Excel documents and PDFs. And all this without having to purchase, install, learn, or keep any additional tools up to date. We can also create and track issues or action items in action lists and dashboards. We will also link these action items to all kinds of documents like forms, workflows, as well as 2D drawings and 3D models, providing a connected and comprehensive overview of the status. Data security is paramount. Autodesk Forma operates with access permissions at project level, including single sign-on and multi-factor authentication, as well as project-specific permissions for folders and workflows. Furthermore, all actions are always traceable. This means that it is always possible to determine who did what at any given time. This information can also be viewed and used on all kinds of mobile devices, ideal for people who mainly work on site or are on the move. This applies to both iOS and Android systems. And the key benefit will certainly be derived from the specific focus on the construction process and the day-to-day needs within it. Not only through tools such as issues and forms, but also through integrated workflows such as the review and approval process, the request for information process, the model coordination, and much more. These workflows can, of course, also be adapted to company-specific requirements. These key benefits demonstrate how Autodesk Forma will connect the various collaboration needs and requirements throughout the entire project lifecycle. There is a solution for every stakeholder at every stage of the project. Autodesk Forma is therefore the first end-to-end cloud-first solution for construction projects. And now to finish up this video, let's take a look at the complete platform. It looks like quite a challenge, isn't it? But don't worry, that's why we are here to take you through it step by step. Important for you, being new to the platform, is the fact that Autodesk Forma has a modular structure as you see here, allowing your business to grow in its digital project approach. All in all, this clearly shows how complex the construction process can be. It involves much more than simply centralizing documents. Et voila! With that, the hardest part is behind us. I look forward to seeing you again in the next session, and as promised, next time we'll dive into the platform and look at it module by module, feature by feature. Thank you, and see you soon.